In this Resyfy AI review, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this brand new AI software. Whether you're a digital marketer or just diving into AI tools, stick around because what I'm about to share could seriously impact how you work with AI going forward. Resyfy AI just dropped and promises some pretty exciting features. But before we dive into that, I want to let you know that you can try Resyfy AI for free, and I've linked it below in the description. Trust me, you'll want to take advantage of that. Now let's break down why Resyfy AI is a game changer for digital marketing and how it stands out in the rapidly expanding AI space. First up, Resyfy AI simplifies the content creation process like nothing I've seen before. If you've been struggling to generate quality content on a regular basis, this tool is going to be your best friend. Whether you're creating blog posts, emails, or even social media captions, Resyfy AI uses its advanced algorithms to help you crank out high-quality content in a fraction of the time. I've tested it on a few campaigns, and it's delivered some pretty impressive results. But it's not just about content generation. One of Resyfy AI's most exciting features is its natural language processing, which can be applied to customer service automation. Imagine using AI to interact with your customers, answer questions, and handle basic support tasks, all seamlessly and without missing a beat. It's a major time saver, especially if you're a small business owner or just starting out with AI in your digital marketing workflow. The software also offers integration with popular tools like CRM systems, so you're not left trying to figure out how to connect all the dots. Resyfy AI makes it super easy to sync with platforms you already use, meaning no extra headaches or time spent learning complex workflows. It's built for efficiency, which is exactly what you need in today's fast-paced digital world. Another cool feature I want to highlight is Resyfy AI's ability to analyze and predict trends. This software can give you data-driven insights that are going to help you stay ahead of the curve in your marketing strategy. Whether you're trying to predict consumer behavior or optimize ad spend, Resyfy AI gives you the tools to make smarter decisions based on actual data, not guesswork. But wait, there's more. One of the most exciting aspects of Resyfy AI is its ability to help with SEO. We all know how challenging SEO can be, especially when it comes to keeping up with Google's ever-changing algorithms. Resyfy AI makes optimizing your content much easier by offering real-time SEO suggestions. It automatically scans your content and suggests tweaks to improve rankings, saving you hours of research and fine-tuning. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Is it easy to use? And the answer is absolutely. Resyfy AI is designed with user-friendliness in mind. You don't have to be a tech expert to get the most out of it. The dashboard is intuitive, and setting up campaigns or automating tasks is straightforward, even for beginners. Lastly, one of the reasons I recommend Resyfy AI is its affordability. In a world where AI tools can get really expensive, Resyfy AI offers a competitive pricing model. For what it offers in terms of features, it's incredibly cost-effective, and you can get started for free by clicking the link below. So if you're serious about optimizing your digital marketing strategy, whether that's through content creation, customer support, SEO, or data analysis, Resyfy AI is a solid tool to add to your arsenal. Remember, you can try Resyfy AI for free right now using the link in the description below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've narrowed down the best ones that are worth your time, and Resyfy AI is definitely on that list. If you want more in-depth reviews and recommendations, check out the software links I've provided below.